Hi, I'm Ananya, and I'm a big sucker for all the theories that roam around on the internet, especially on Instagram. And recently, I came across a theory that blew my mind, and it has not left my mind ever since. So, I am a big hoarder. Like, I never let go of the people that I've loved in the past, irrespective of whatever they have done to me, irrespective of how long it has been for them to have left my life. So, I just recently heard about the fruit theory, which just basically says that everything, irrespective of whatever it is, from a tiny little fruit, if it is yours, it will find its way to you. So basically what it means is that when you plant a tree for a fruit, somebody else gives the seeds, somebody else buys those seeds. After they buy it, somebody else maybe plants those trees, then somebody else might reap those trees, somebody else might pluck that fruit, somebody else might buy that fruit, somebody else might sell that fruit, somebody else might purchase that fruit. But if it is meant to be given to you, to serve to you, it will automatically come to you. And I think that just blew my mind. So that girl just said कि अगर आप एक fruit जो आपकी लाइफ के लिए बना है, if it is meant for you to eat it, only you will get that piece. How can you expect कि जो लोग आपकी जिंदगी में आने के लिए बने हैं वो नहीं आएंगे just because the timing was not right or for whatever reason. And it is so crazy to think about it like that. That irrespective of however much I might want to hold on to people and however much people might want to live my life, if they are meant to meet me, if they are meant to be in my life, they will be. I will not have to find a way for them to be there. They will not have to find a way to be there. The universe will find a way for them to be there. And the universe will find the right time, right person, right place, right circumstances, whatever right things it needs. But it will give me that person. So if this small piece of seed can become a fruit and can come to me because it was destined for me, how can I not expect bigger things in life for me? Things that are destined for me, things that I'm supposed to get, things that are being planted by other people for me to reap, for me to enjoy. And I just want to leave you with that note. Bye, and do follow for more.